Good morning, student. This is part 3 of the chapter index number, and in this video we are going to learn about weighted aggregative method. In my last video I had explained you how to solve the questions related to simple aggregate method and weighted average method. Now in this video we are going to learn what is weighted aggregative method. Under this method, different goods are accorded weight according to the quantity bought, therefore suggested different techniques of weighing. Some of well-known methods are as under. इस मेथड में हम डिफरेंट क्वांटिटी ऑफ गुड्स को उनकी वेटेज के अकॉर्डिंगली उस पर वेट्स असाइन करते हैं एंड डिफरेंट economist has given the different formulas to calculate the weighted aggregative method. Here are three methods which are there in your syllabus. First one is Laspeyres method, that is represented by L. P01 is equals to sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into 100. Second is Pasteur's method, that is represented by P. P01 is equals to sigma P1 Q1 upon P0 Q1 into 100. And the third is Fisher's method, P01 under root sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 into 100. These are the three methods in your syllabus for the weighted aggregative method, and we will use this formula to calculate the index number. Q0 means we are talking about the quantity for the base year. P0 means we are talking for the price for the base year. P1 means price of the current year, and Q1 means quantity of the current year. Fisher's method is an ideal method which is used to calculate the weighted aggregative method. Now, here is a question. Construct the price index number of the following data by using the Laspeyres, Pasteur's and Fisher's method. बेस ईयर दिया है बेटा, उसमें उसकी क्वांटिटी और प्राइस दी हुई है, करेंट ईयर की भी क्वांटिटी और प्राइस दी हुई है, पर्टिकुलर कमोडिटीज़ की. बेस ईयर मैंने आपको बताया Q0 और P0 के उससे रिप्रेजेंट होगा, करेंट ईयर में Q1 और P1 से रिप्रेजेंट होगा. Therefore, we have written here Q0, P0, P1, Q1. First, we will calculate all the things which we are needed in the formula Laspeyres, Pasteur's and the Fisher's. As I've told you, we need P0, Q0, P1, Q1, P1, Q0 and P0, Q0. All the things we need. Therefore, I have calculated here the four columns. First is P0, Q0. Next is P1, Q1. And after that P1, Q0 and then P0, Q1. Because I told you there the formulas related to Laspeyres, Pasteur's and Fisher's. In that formulas, we need P0, Q0, P1, Q1, P1, Q0 and P0, Q1. Now, P0, Q0 means we will multiply price of the base year with the quantity of the base year. 3 into 5 is 15, 7 into 4 is 28, 4 into 7 is 28, 6 into 6 is 36. Next P1, Q1, 8 into 2 is 16, 6 into 5, 30, 10 into 3, 30, 7 into 5 is 35. Next P1, Q0 means price of the current year and the quantity for the base year. 8 into 3 is 24. 6 into 7 is 42. 10 into 4 is 40. 7 into 6 is 42. Now P0, Q1, that is price of the base year and the quantity of the current year. 5 into 2 is 10. 4 into 5 is 20. 7 into 3 is 21. 6 into 5 is 30. Now we will total all these 4 columns. P0 Q0 का total करेंगे, it is 107. P1 Q1 का total करेंगे बेटा, it is 111. P1 Q0 का आप total कर रहे हो, it is 148. P0 Q1 का total कर रहे हो, it is 81. Now we will write the formulas and put their values over there. Last press sigma P0, in a last press, price index number P01 is equals to sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into 100. P1 Q0 की वैल्यू क्या है बेटा? 148. P0 Q0 की वैल्यू क्या है बेटा? 107. It means 148 divided by 107 into 100. The answer will be 138.32. After that, past year's price index number. The formula is sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 into 100. P1 Q1 की वैल्यू क्या है बेटा? 111. P0 Q1 की वैल्यू क्या है? 81. It means 111 upon 81 into 100. The answer will be 137.04. Now, the last one, Fisher's price index number. The formula is under root sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1. हम सेम वैल्यूज़ यहाँ पे भी पुट कर रहे हैं. 148 अपॉन 107 इंटू 111 अपॉन 81 अंडर रूट के अंदर है इंटू 100. When you will solve this with the help of a calculator, you will get 137.66. I hope it is clear how to calculate weighted aggregative method. We will solve one more question related to it. Given the following data and taking 2004 as the base year, construct the index of price using Laspers, Pastel's and Fisher's method. यहाँ पे हमने 2004 और 2014 लिया है. 2004 आपका क्या है? बेस ईयर है और 2014 आपके करेंट ईयर है. और 4 कॉमोडिटीज़ यहाँ पे भी हमने लिए हैं A, B, C, D. Now first we will write the commodities A, B, C, D. Then we will write the values which are given in the question, that is the value of the P0 price of the base year, the value of the Q0 that is quantity of the base year, then P1 that is the price of the current year and Q1 the quantity of the current year. We will calculate P0 Q0 first. 24 into 8 is 192. 9 into 3 is 27. 16 into 5 is 80. 10 into 3 is 30. Next we will calculate P1 Q1, that is 30 into 10 is 300. 10 into 4 is 40. 20 into 8 is 160. 9 into 4 is 36. Next P1 Q0, 30 into 8 is 240. 10 into 3 is 30. 20 into 5 is 100. 9 into 3 is 27. After that P0 Q1, 24 into 10, it is 240. 9 into 4, 36. 16 into 8 is 128. 10 into 4 is 40. Now we will add all these 4 columns. P0 Q0, the total is 329. P1 Q1, the total is 536. P1 Q0, the total is 397. P0 Q1, the total is 444. Now we are going to put the values in the formulas. Last price index, it is sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into 100. 397 upon 329 into 100, the answer will be 120.67. In the same way, we will calculate Pastor's index number. The formula will be sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 into 100. That is 536 divided by 444 into 100. The answer is 120.72. And the last now, Fisher's index number. Under root sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 into 100. P1 Q0, the value is 397 upon 329, 536 upon 444 into 100. When we will calculate this, we will get 120.69. I hope it is clear now how to calculate the index number with the help of last race, Pastor's and the Fisher's formula. Thank you, students.